You are watching the CCMS ePortfolios Evaluating ePortfolios video. In this video, we will cover how to log in and navigate CCMS ePortfolios, troubleshoot preview messages, and use the Blackboard rubric, and how to save or submit the finished rubric. Evaluation of the CCMS ePortfolio starts inside University's Blackboard Learn. To begin, please visit learn.zu.ac.ae. Enter your assigned username and password. On the right-hand side, you'll see the My Courses module. Click on the CCMS ePortfolios link in the My Courses module. To see the list of ePortfolios you will evaluate, click the Grade Center menu item on the left-hand side navigation. Then click the Needs Grading link. You will see 2 or 3 ePortfolios for you to evaluate listed by student names. Click the first student's name to open the evaluation window. If the file is a JPEG image file, or if the Crocodoc service displays a preview not available, an error occurred while converting this document, or some other error, or if the Arabic formatting is incorrect in the browser, you can download the file by clicking the download arrow icon to the right of the file or in the Crocodoc preview bar. You may also see a loading "Please wait while we render this file" message when you click one of the ePortfolio pieces. The file will display. If for any reason it does not, just click the file a second time. To open the rubric, you will need to click the thin blue line with the drop-down arrow to show the rubric in the grading panel. Click the ePortfolio rubric link to display the rubric. You may see the message "Rubric loading. Please wait." You can then click the Show Descriptions checkbox or have available a printed copy of the 13 Pearls of Wisdom attachment you received by email. You should use the 13 Pearls of Wisdom for reference as you review each of the pieces in the ePortfolio. It's also a good idea to jot down notes or type in feedback as you move from one piece of work to the next, as each piece may influence your final rating for the different values and competencies. As you evaluate the ePortfolio, select the appropriate radio buttons. Responses on the Likert scale range from strongly agree, agree, neutral, to disagree, strongly disagree, or NA or cannot determine from the content submitted. When you have selected a rating and entered any desired feedback for each of the 14 questions, you can save or submit the rubric. If you need to come back to your work later, you should click Save Rubric. You should consider using this feature more often if you are typing feedback directly into the rubric, or consider keeping a separate written or typed version of your feedback just in case. After you have clicked Save Rubric, you can click Save Draft and come back to the evaluation later. Blackboard will display a green success message and automatically advance you to the next ePortfolio or to the list of students to be evaluated. Please make sure to view the whole length of the right-hand sidebar before submitting your evaluation. Some students place links to videos or multimedia projects at the very bottom of the sidebar in the Comments section. When you are finished your evaluation, click the Save Rubric button, then the Submit button to submit your ratings and feedback for the ePortfolio. You will see a green Success, Grade Submitted message bar at the top of the window. You can either evaluate the next ePortfolio or log out of Blackboard. Please be sure to log out when you are finished. In this video, we have covered how to log in and navigate the CCMS ePortfolios, troubleshoot preview messages and use Blackboard rubric, and how to save or submit the finished rubric.